Hi everyone, this is Jarjar and once again welcome to my channel. It is the weekend and I'm planning to transform these ingredients into two simple dishes for lunch. I'm going to begin by first frying a fish. While the fish is frying, on another fire, I'm going to start frying my cabbage. One side of the fish is already done, and so I have flip it over and I'll be working on the other side. And meanwhile, over at this corner, I'm going to add in some fried bean curd sheets to make the dish less boring. The fish is more or less done. I'm not making it very crispy and golden brown because the plan is to make a sauce, a sweet and sour tomato ketchup sauce for the fish. The cabbage is still simmering. Meanwhile, I have to start on the sauce of the fish. So I'm going to fry the onions and the chili first. Onions is going to take a while. The cabbage is almost ready. It is soft as baby food right now. So I shall be dishing it up shortly. It's time to add in the tomatoes. It's time to add in some tomato sauce. Some oyster sauce for taste. Some sugar. And finally, some water. Finally, it is time to let the fish swim inside to soak in the flavors of the sauce. Yeah. Some coriander for garnishing. And there you have it. A simple lunch. Sweet and sour ketchup fish, fried cabbage with fried bean curd sheets, and a simple bowl of white rice. Yummy yummy. It's time to eat. Thank you once again for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I shall see you soon in the next video. Bye!